Hello, welcome back to my channel. Now I'm going to review a room in Crowne Plaza Changi, Singapore. This is the view from the entrance door. This room is facing the runway. We'll see the runway later on from this room. On the right side is the place you can put your luggage. This one is the coffee maker. They give you ironing board and the iron. Coffee maker, Nescafe, Dilmah tea. Coffee is Nescafe. Not sure how we can open this. So this is the wardrobe. See, we can see, here is the bathrobe. Okay. This one is okay. They give you slipper and laundry bag. Okay, now we see the bathroom. This is the air conditioning control unit with the this one, universal electric outlet, manual switch. The bathroom itself is very cool. You can see here, this is the door. See, sliding door. You can close like this. Okay, you can see your bed there, but don't worry, they give you a curtain over there. See, you can close the curtain from here. So you can enjoy your bath without your roommate can see you. This is the wash basin. Amenities. Okay, toothbrush. Then don't give you a comb. Hair dryer, body scale, the soap. This is the shower box. So there. Shower from the top. This is where you can control your water flow to the bathtub. Okay. Mirror, quite a big mirror. There's a windows there that cannot be opened. Shaver. Okay. Now let us see the bedroom. Quite a spacious room. I have a king size bed, sofa here where you can watch your TV here, working desk. Okay. See, it's all the place you can sit. Quite nice. I think you can sit on that. You can have some meeting here with your colleague if you're on a business trip. Okay. Oops, sorry. The chair. Okay. Phone. Okay. International electric socket. USB-A. This one. This is the safe box where you can keep your important item. Okay, the runway. By the way, I think the soundproof is quite okay here. I barely hear the noise from the runway. Very minimum noise. So the light here. Bedside lamp. Bedside table. Pillow, give you 4 pillow. See, this is the bathroom. Okay. Okay. Bed is made every day. The linen is changed only if you place your card on the bed. Quite a nice room. That's the sound of the plane taking off. We can hear that. Yeah, we can hear that definitely. So if you don't like such sound, then better don't choose a room like this. Okay, this is the review of my room. Room 709. The location is you are here, this one. This is the room. Okay, and this is the runway. Okay, if you like my review, please click like button and subscribe my channel to support me creating a content like this. Thank you very much. See you. Bye bye.